this world, shielding means what? One, protection. So shielding effect. Another one word of shielding effect is known as screening effect. Screen means, what does it mean? One screen is there, shield is there, screen is there, both are same meaning, correct? Something is protecting. So when you see this, the interaction with the nucleus lowers energy. Nucleus is there, inner cells are there, outermost cells are there. Inner cells electrons are nearer to the nucleus, have low energy, and that nucleus will have more nuclear charge on innermost orbital. Innermost orbital will have more nuclear charge because it is nearer to the nucleus. Next level orbitals are there. In next level orbitals, what happen? Positive charge of nucleus shows the nuclear charge on the electron which is present in the next level orbital also. But what happened to that nuclear charge will be less than the inner shell. At the same time, this inner shell, whatever electrons are present in the particular orbital, they will have repulsion. Why? Because the electrons have negative charges. Both negative charges are near, so that they will have some repulsion among inter-electron repulsion between those electrons which is present in the particular orbital. Nucleus is having positive charge, so that it is pulling the electrons towards its nucleus, and the electron want all the shells towards its. But what happened? This innermost electron will not allow the nucleus to show that nuclear effect of the outermost electrons, so that outermost electron will have less nuclear charge because of the shielding effect of electrons which is present in inner orbital. That is called screening effect or shielding effect. Shielding effect can be defined as reduction in the effective nuclear charge on the electron cloud due to the difference in the attraction forces of electrons in the atom. It is a special case of electric field that is known as screening. The definition you can learn as it is. What is the meaning? The nucleus is there, nucleus is having positive charge. The positive charge will show one attractions on the innermost shell, that is ground state electrons, and next level electrons also will be there. First of all, there will be a repulsion of charges between the electrons. Now what happened? Electron want to pull, nucleus want to pull all the electrons towards it. But what happened? Outermost electrons which is present in that outermost shell, if the nucleus want to show the effective charge on the outermost shell of particular electron, what happened? This ground state electrons will shield it, or it will put one screen, it will hide. That is called screening effect. This ground state level innermost orbital will shield the outermost electron from getting charge from the nucleus. How does the screening effect work? The more shielding that occurs, further the valence shell can spread out. So nuclear charges less means what happened to the size of the atom? Size of the atom increases. So screening effect and shielding effect both are similar meanings. Both are similar meanings. In our textbook also it is given. That means the attractive interaction of the electron increases with increasing in the positive charge on the nucleus. Due to the presence of electrons in the inner shells, the electron in the outer shell will not experience full positive charge on the nucleus, but will be lowered due to the partial screening of positive charge on the nucleus by the inner shell electron. This is known as shielding of the outer shell electrons from the nucleus by the inner shell electrons. This is the difference between screening and shielding. Both are in same only. The net positive charge experienced by the electron from the nucleus is known as effective nuclear charge. What do you mean by effective nuclear charge? The net positive charge experienced by the electron from the nucleus is known as effective nuclear charge. So, despite the shielding of outer electrons from the nucleus by the inner shell electrons, the attractive forces experienced by the outer shell electrons increase with increase of nuclear charge. Outer shell electrons increase with increase the nuclear charge. In other words, the energy of interaction between nucleus and the electron decreases with the increase of atomic number. Correct? Atomic number increases means what happen? You will be having more number of shells. More number of shells increases, outermost shell will have less nuclear charge. So this both attractive and repulsive interaction depend upon the shell and shape of the orbital in which the electron is present. So the electrons are attracted. For example, being spherical in shape, s orbital shield the electron from the nucleus more effectively compared to p orbital. Why? Because it is a spherical shape. Spherical shape easily it can hide. So s orbital will hide that other electrons from the nucleus. So it will hide the other electrons. So nuclear charge will be less on the other orbitals. So compared to p orbital, s orbital shows more shielding effect. So p orbital, the shield the electrons from the nucleus less than s orbital. At the same time, d orbital, p orbital shield the electron from the nucleus more than the d orbital. P orbital shield the electrons from the nucleus more than d orbital, even though they both are present in the same shell. Due to the spherical shape, s orbital spent more time close to the nucleus compared to the p orbital, and p orbital spent more time vicinity of nucleus in compared to d orbital. So according to the nuclear effect changes. So lower the value of n plus n for an orbital, lower its energy if two orbitals have same energy. What is the rule called? Modular rule. According to that, the energy will be filled. Energies of the orbitals in the same subshell decrease with increasing atomic number. Here you can, from this you can identify electron outside, no effect of electron of interest, positively charged nucleus, electron of interest, electron in between cancel some the nuclear charge. This is effective nuclear charge. Positively charged nucleus is there. The nucleus shows the charge of the outermost electron. Look at the shielding effect. Valence electrons are there, both have repulsion, and electron will have attractive force on the electrons because of opposite charges. Core electron means innermost electrons are known as core electrons. So effective nuclear charge can be calculated from the atomic number and core electron. Here you can see the shielding effect. Look at this arrow mark. Electrons are pulled by the nucleus. At the same time, they are repelled from each other. Shielding effect is the decrease in attraction between the electron and the nucleus in any atom.